भारतीय صحافیوں की पाक फौज की तारीफ और भारतीय फौज पर तनकीद ने मोदी सरकार की नींदें उड़ा दी। एक और सहाफ़ी ने भारतीय फौज को भारी नुकसान पहुंचने की तस्दीक कर दी। वाज़े किया कि भारत की जानिब नुकसानात की तरदीद ना करना इस बात का सबूत है कि भारत के कई तैयारे तबाह हो चुके हैं।
Is it true that Pakistan inflicted damage on our air power and aircrafts with missile attacks on day one of the fight in the skies? Islamabad has claimed 5 Indian jets were brought down by their Chinese-made J-10C jets. There is no official Indian denial on losses suffered by us. After checking and cross-checking with multiple sources, I can confirm that we did lose aircraft in combat. How many is best left to officials to authenticate. Did we lose at least one Rafale as the Western media has widely speculated? Look, there has again been no denial from the Indian side. And in the absence of a denial and based again on multiple source information, yes, one Rafale was lost in the fight.